in obedience to the rule of the presumption of innocence, I gave him a new job.
Sir, what are your marching directives for him?
Alam na niya yan. Siya man ang taga-BGMP, so alam niya. Marching order is to guard and so that they will not escape. That's why it's a penitentiary.
Sir, ano po yung magiging yung instructions with regard to yung pong lumulutang na mga practices in the BuCor? Like for example, yung mga tilapia na sinasabi nila, yung prostitution inside and those kinds
He
of
knows
things.
his business. Yung lahat ng nangyari, wag mong gawin. Yun lang.
Okay.
All the things that you have observed along the way, all the things that are being obnoxious or repugnant to the public, wag mong gawin.
Sir, you don't mind po yung record niya, yung pong cases that he had faced before, yun pong pagpapasabog ng granada. That's not a negative on his part.
Well,
Or strength ba yun?
I think the case is in court. Is facing homicide charges. I don't think that he did it.
Okay.
If he did, then baka mag-convict siya. But in the meantime, gusto ko siya.
Okay.
Kasi nagtatapon ng granada. Daw.
Yes, sir.
Kasi sinong ibigay mo, pati si Santo. Gusto ko nga magkuha ng Santo, wala naman. Garon rin, magkuha ka ng military, wala. O dito ka sa talagang may experience sa BGMP. That's a bureau under the DILG, and you take care of detention prisoners.
Sir, just one.